Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about how to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Jelastic platform as a service is a cloud computing platform that allows you to deploy and manage applications of all types, including web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. To install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets, you can follow these steps. Create a DigitalOcean's account. If you do not already have a DigitalOcean's account, you can create one for free. Create a DigitalOcean's Droplet. A droplet is a virtual machines that you can use to deploy and run applications on DigitalOcean. To create a droplet, go to the DigitalOcean's droplet page and click the create droplet button. Select the droplet size and regions that you want. Install the Jelastic platform as a service. Click app. DigitalOcean offers a click app for Jelastic platform as a service. To install the click app, go to the DigitalOcean marketplace and search for Jelastic platform as a service. Click the install button to install the one click app or a new droplet. Connect to the Jelastic platform as a service droplet. Once the droplet is created, you can connecting to it using SSH. To connect to the droplet, go to the DigitalOcean's droplets page and click on the connect button next to the droplet. Start the Jelastic platform as a service installations. Once you are connected to the droplet, you can access the Jelastic platform as a service dashboard by opening a web browser and navigating to following the URL. Additional tips for installing Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Choose the right droplet size. When choosing a droplet size for your Jelastic platform as a service platform, you need to consider the number of applications that you plan to deploy and the resource that they will require. Jelastic platform as a service recommends using a platform on private network. Jelastic platform as a service recommends using droplet at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPUs.